Hey there, you know what? Today I'm going to show you a real life example, a live example of how the Lunavio strategy works. Look, a long position just opened for me here on the BitUnix exchange. Take a look and see where it entered. It entered because the position opened because we moved strongly outside the Bollinger Band, here, outside this lower band. You see, it's green for me here. The price moved strongly outside this band, and the RSI indicator here was very low, below 15. Right here, see? And look, of course I didn't open this myself. Lunavio opened it for me, and now I'll show you why it opened. When you log into Lunavio, before you log in, go to lunaviotrading.com, and here you have the steps to follow. The first step is to register on Lunavio, BitUnix, MEXC. And here in step 2, you have instructions, like tutorials, right, on how to use Lunavio. Once you've done that, now watch. We're on Lunavio, on crypto intelligence here, then auto trading, then we go into settings. Here I have a list of coins that are being monitored by Lunavio all the time, 24 hours a day, and it's searching for those specific parameters that I set up beforehand for it to open positions for me. Wait, let's check. This is Avalanche. Okay, this is Avalanche. Take a look. We'll go into Avalanche, into its settings, and see what I had entered here. I had it set for the system to monitor the 15-minute interval on Avalanche, and if the price of this exact Avalanche goes more than 1%, 1.1% below the Bollinger Band or above it. And now, specifically for longs, if the RSI indicator is 15 or lower, I want a position to open for me. Entry 1, right? That entry 1 is there for $700. And now look at what happened. It just happened, right? We went here more than 1% below the Bollinger Band. The RSI indicator was low, and that long position opened for me. And now look, I also have it set up immediately so that if the price goes up by 1%, in this case upwards because I'm playing along, this position should automatically close for me. So look, we'll take a ruler here now, a measure tool, and if you look from here to here, that's 1%. See? The system will automatically close it for me. But let's look at the settings now, but if the price keeps falling, meaning I'll be like in the red, and it drops another 6%, then the system will add to this position for me. It will place entry 2. So once we drop by 6%, it's already showing that. See, when we drop here by about 6%, then entry 2 will be placed here, and it will be for $1,000. And then again, once it's there, those two positions together will give some average price. And from that average price, if Avalanche goes up by 1%, 1.5%, the system is supposed to close my order. So for example, if we entered here with $700, here with $1,000, there will be an average price somewhere. And from there, if we go up by 1.5%, the system will close this transaction for me at a profit. I have even more entries here. There's entry 3 and entry 4, and the parameters for when the take profit should be collected are also provided here. And here I also have a stop loss set. If I end up with as many as 4 averaging positions, meaning the price keeps dropping while I'm playing longs, right? So the price keeps dropping, and I make exactly 4 such entries, meaning entry here is entry 1, entry 2, then there will be entry 3 and entry 4. And if the price keeps dropping and falls by 10% here, right? Then there will be a stop loss here, meaning SL, stop loss, and then it will close my position at a loss. This is a safeguard to ensure I don't lose my entire capital. Okay, that's explained now. While we're at it, let's take a quick look at our results from yesterday. What happened yesterday? Yesterday we executed 40 trades, and out of those 40, a whopping 39 were profitable. So the effectiveness, our win rate, was 97.5%. We made $2,382. And today, so far, we're up almost $500. 90% success rate. Out of 32 trades, 29 ended in profit. And let's take a look at the last 7 days, maybe? 7,000 in profit. Win rate of 93%. 14 days, 10,000 in profit. Win rate of almost 90%. Let's see, the best trader in the last 14 days earned over $5,000. Good, good. It's good. All right. Once again, I'm reminding you that all instructions are on lunaviotrading.com, and I also recommend checking out that link. It says here that investing is very risky, that this video is not investment advice, and that past results do not guarantee the same in the future. What I'm saying right now is also in the description of this video. So, see you later. Bye.